have a full range of metallic paints that you can use to add a little bit of sparkle, a little bit of glitz and glam, make things a little more exciting. And we have 6 different colors that you can choose from. What makes these so special and unique is that we use real mica pigments in them. So it's kind of like a glimmering eyeshadow. It's really sparkly and really quite pretty. So we have, again, 6 different colors. We've got copper, champagne, one of my favorites, the brushed steel, which is again very on trend right now, pearl, which is a very nice sort of light shimmer, and then we have pale gold, and then we have our bronze. And our bronze is very unique because it has a little bit of a green tinge to it. It's really super pretty if you're trying to get sort of an aged sort of copper effect. So you can use any of these just as you use the regular fusion paint. So follow all the same rules in terms of prep and cleaning that you may need to. And in terms of applying it, I recommend only using a brush to apply these. You get the best results from a brush because it can dry just a little bit different because there's so many mica mineral pigments in there. It's a little bit different than the paint. So you use a brush for the best application. And again, you can follow all the regular rules of fusion paint and paint up with some metallics.